How to add an event as a blog post in Squarespace 7.1. Go to Pages, find where your blogs are located, and add a new blog post. It will put a draft page for you to edit. So you enter your title, and you put the date and location. For what we're doing here, we're going to add an image that has the menu on it. So I'm going to add an image from the library that I have, choosing the Italian evening. On this, because I don't feel it's wide enough, I'm going to go to design and stretch. And then what I do as well is I set the date to be the same date as my event. So to do that, you saw that I clicked on the date here. Go to options. This is a draft. So I publish it and I put it to the 23rd of July. And then I can put the time of the event as well by scrolling along here. So we're going to put that to 7 o'clock. Scrolling. And then save. If you're not ready to publish, you can do the date afterwards, but you can now see that it's the same here. I then want to add the ability to book the ticket. So I'm going to put a button in. Writing the text in here, book tickets. And I will then, when I have it, I will paste my link from Eventbrite in here. What I tend to do when it's external links is I go to settings and I make sure that it's open in a new window. As soon as I have my Eventbrite URL, I will paste it in there. So then everything is done on the post page. So I'm going to go save, done, and save up here. But you can see in my Italian evening over on the left, there's no image here, which means on the overview page, there is no images either. So I'm going to go to settings and upload the image that's going to show on the blog or event list page. You can either select one from your computer, as I'm doing here, or search for images from your image library here. Once that's done, you can then write your excerpt. This also shows on the overview page, so the list blog page before someone clicks through to the event. So here I'm going to write the date again, Friday, 23rd July at 1975, Wine Bar, 7 p.m. If you don't want line spaces, if you want it just all to be closed up, you can hold your shift down if you're on a PC and you get no line spaces. Then save. And that is my blog post done. So if we want to see them, we go to the offers and events. And you can see the Italian evening I have just read. But here, with the read more, to see the full details of the event. Thank you.